started the journey going towards the United States, Orlando, Florida. Currently I am in Manila Airport. I'm waiting for that announcement to go away. Alright, so let's try that again. That didn't work. Alright, so let's try that. Anyway, I'm in Manila International Airport, Terminal 2, and we are going to head out to Tokyo and connect there for my connection into Los Angeles and later on Orlando. So I just wanted to pop in, say hi. I'm going to vlog this trip a little bit, maybe a few minutes, and bring you on the trip a little bit. So we'll go from there. Alright guys, so I'm on board Philippines Airlines, and the flight is actually taking me into Tokyo. This flight has like 2 different stops, and I have like a 2-hour layover in Tokyo. If everything goes all right, and I heard now that the flight has been delayed for 2 hours in Tokyo, so we'll see how that goes. But it's always like that when you fly, especially when you fly American Airlines. I haven't had a whole lot of good luck with them. Most of their flights that I take is late. Alright, so we are on the tarmac here, and we are taking off here in a minute. Today has been a long day for me. I think I started like 2 o'clock this morning, and right now it's about 9 a.m. So I've already been traveling for 7 hours just to go from Angeles. But we are slowly moving ahead, so we're trying to get out of here. Another surprise today, this flight, Philippine airline, up to Tokyo is almost empty, and I was kind of surprised. I had seat row of 4 to myself, and then I said, well, I'm gonna go out here and sit here by the window, since there was a lot of window seats available. And I just got out there so I could see what's going on, and maybe get a little footage like we're doing right this minute. It's kind of fun. So here we go. Now we got the takeoff coming here. So hold on, guys. Wow, is this thing ever gonna take off? It shouldn't be that hard to get up in the air when you have no passengers. It feels like it's, there we go now, finally. It's like taking a while. Alright, so here we have a little view over Manila, and its surrounding. It's I always love to see the cities from above. Um, Down there you have SM also, so that's something you find everywhere here in Philippines. These big SM malls everywhere, and we've been around to a few of them, and I'll put a link to some of them. It seems like our mall stuff is popular. Anyway, so let's talk a little bit about my departure, my journey to Orlando. I haven't said so much about it. What happened was a friend of mine starting a company, and I decided to, he asked me if I could come over and help him on the technical side a little bit, and do a few things for his TV studio. He's actually starting a shopping network, streaming live to, I think, about 80, did he say 70 or 80 million home possibility through different streaming channels like Ruko and a few others, and he will also possibly, I think he said he's also possibly going to go on television nationwide on some channels. All right, this view here that you can see is coming in to Tokyo. So we are approaching Tokyo's airport. So what you see underneath there is a view over Japan, and here we are approaching the airport. I didn't do much of footage at the airport when I was there. One thing, I was really tired, and then they changed the gate on me several times, so I had to run around and try to figure out where I was going to depart from this thing. But anyway, here we're coming in, and we are about to touch down on this one. Weather is clear, pretty nice weather, and my layover here, like I said, was supposed to be 2 hours, and it turns out to be, from what they're telling us, turned out to be 4 hours, 4.5 hours. But that was okay, because my layover in Los Angeles is five hours, so I just moved 2 hours of that to Tokyo. So I have 4 hours there and 3 hours in LA instead. Alright, so this video footage is to take off from Tokyo, and I am kind of excited in one sense to get back to U.S. To see my kids and grandkids. I haven't seen them in about a year, so here, when I get a chance, I'm going to go and see them as well. They live up in Virginia, and I have another daughter in Orlando, Florida. So I will go there and meet with her as well. All right, beautiful view. Little haze maybe, but nice weather, and we're taking off and heading over the Pacific into California. That we are arriving to. This is one of the mountain ranges in the northern part of California coming in. Beautiful morning, and we are maybe an hour or so out from Los Angeles at that point. And here we are getting a view over downtown Los Angeles, and here we are approaching at the airport. Flight was a little rough, a lot of bumpy air coming over the Pacific. Probably one of the bumpier ride I've had crossing there, but it was okay. We had a good time. Got some sleep, so that's a good thing. Right, touchdown right there. You could see the smoke coming up from the tires in the camera. On this flight, I was sitting pretty far back, and I was late checking in. It took us a while to get to the gate also. In here, I'm actually have arrived in Orlando. I didn't do much filming. I love this airport, Orlando's International Airport. One of the most convenient airports. You get off the plane, get to the train, and you're right there. Get down the escalator, and you're right there at the baggage claim. It's a fabulous thing, and I just love it. So we are going to end this video, and I appreciate everybody watching. We have increased a large number of subscribers this last few couple of weeks, and we are almost at 1,000. I think today we are about 12, 15 or so away from 1,000. And 1,000 was our goal within a year. We are going to do it within about 9 months. So we are pretty happy, and we're happy because we have a lot of faithful subscribers. So if you have any questions, any ideas, any things you want to see from Florida, since I'm here, I can do a vlog here once in a while. And we appreciate everybody. If you don't mind, go ahead and share our videos, like and share as much as you possibly can. And once we reach 1,000 and I get back to Philippines, we're gonna do some t-shirt giveaways and a few other things. So we're gonna have some fun and have a little giveaway to our subscribers. Again, thank you for watching. God bless, and bye-bye for now.